How to sign up on Amazon affiliate without a website. So if you want to sign up or join the Amazon affiliate program, and if you do not have a website, do not worry. It is absolutely possible to sign up for affiliate even without having a website, and you can promote it anywhere else aside from a website. First, you want to go to their Amazon Associates website, which is affiliate-program.amazon.com. I repeat, affiliate-program.amazon.com. Here you can see the sign up button. If you haven't already signed up for Amazon affiliate, you just want to hit the sign up button right here. Now, by the way, you have to log into one of your existing Amazon accounts, so you must have a regular Amazon account. By the way, in my case, I'm already done that, and I have already went ahead and then basically signed in and created or signed up for my Amazon Associates as well. So let me go ahead and just quickly verify this verification code that Amazon has sent to me. And once I go ahead and then verify the code, on the next page I can just hit the submit code button. Just wait until this process has completed, and here you can see I have successfully created my particular account. So it says to whom should we issue payments. You can select the pay listed above, click the next option. Here it will ask you to basically go ahead and then enter your mobile apps and so on, but you don't really need this. You can simply add any website in this list. It doesn't really have to be that website, and just hit the add button, and then you can hit the add button as well, and once done you can successfully create your Amazon Associates account. Now to check if this is working, you can just come to amazon.com and you'll find an affiliate link at the top. So you can see I have my affiliate link at the top. If I go to a certain product page right here, you can see I will get the affiliate link for that particular product, and I can just hit the get link button to copy my affiliate link. So this is the way on how I can sign up for Amazon affiliate even without owning a website. I hope the video helps you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.